Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This will be our last review for our Switzerland trip and we are staying at the Hyatt Regency next to Zurich Airport. The location is super convenient if you're flying out of there since it's only about a 5-minute walk to the terminal. My first impression is that it's spacious and it's got ample seating in the lobby, something of a rarity in many European hotels. Check-in was fast, and as a Hyatt Globalist member, we were offered free breakfast at the restaurant. But unfortunately, I somehow lost most of my breakfast footage. We also got access to the Regency Club Lounge, something of a staple at most Hyatt Regencies, unless you're in the United States. But that's for a different video. Just like the lobby, it was brightly lit, spacious, clean, and quiet. The cocktail hour spread was really good and the staff member was really quick to clean any dirty plates or table. 10 out of 10 experience here at the lounge. And as a reminder, if you also have a good experience on our channel, please subscribe and always like the video. Thank you so much for your support. So my question to you this time is, what is your favorite hotel chain? Since we go through a lot of hotel chains on this channel, I want to know which one is your favorite. Leave a comment down below. Okay, now let's check out our room. All right, guys, so we're at our last stop in Switzerland, which is Zurich, and we're staying at the Hyatt Regency here at the Zurich Airport. We're flying out tomorrow early in the morning, so I don't want to, go through the train in the morning during rush hour, so I decided to stay here. And it's already playing off because we just got upgraded upon check-in to this beautiful, beautiful, lovely Regency suite here at the Hyatt Regency Zurich Airport. So let's take a look at the room first. This room seems massive, but on their webpage, this room is only listed at 44 square meters, so it's no bigger than 500 square feet, I think. So it's got a separate bathroom in the front. This is the front entrance. Very efficient use of space. We got our, you can put your luggage here, and we got some closet space in here. Very nice. Okay, and we have a nice living room area over here. Free water, which is great. Large TV, and we have a lot of functioning buttons here for the controls and for the lights. So you can, let's say you can close the curtains like this, and press it again to open it again. So that's cool. Let me show you one thing over here about this bathroom that's really cool. It's got a remote for the toilet, although I don't know why it's not working now. Do I need to sit on it? Huh? Oh, right here. Aha! Isn't that cool? Does have a bit of a leak there though, so if you want to see right here, so that's not cool. But that's okay because we actually have another bathroom inside. So let's take a look over here. We got more luggage space, more closet. Okay, got the mini bar here. Very nice. Nespresso machine, very cool. Got the safe here. More space right here. And nice desk. You can sort of look out over here. Oh, this is a vanity table. Nice. Got USB plugs and other outlets. Not universal though, so that's okay. Nice, lovely area for the bedroom, king size bed, and we'll have a great view of the park outside. This is called the Circle, if I remember correctly. The Circle is the park here, or it's the entire mall area here right next to the airport. It's connected to the airport actually, so we just go downstairs, go through the mall, go across the street, and there you go, airport. Very, very cool light fixture, I love that. This is the actual bathroom, so we got another toilet area there. Very nice sink over here, like the color. Again, doesn't matter where you are at Hyatt Regency, you know which kind of soap you're using. Consistency. Once again, consistency. Okay, so we got rain shower over here. Very nice. Got another shower head here. So very cool. Got a little bit of a view, although not sure if I want to be looking at someone while I'm showering, so maybe not so cool, but nonetheless, it's a cool space. I want to say that this is just a really nice use of space, because if you look at it, it's actually a very narrow hallway kind of area, but they were able to make this a nice looking bathroom. So very good job, whoever the designer is. So very cool, very cool. So what did you guys think? If you guys like this place, don't like this place, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this helpful, and love you guys. Thank you for following us on our amazing Swiss trip, and hope to bring you guys more content very soon. See you guys, bye.